Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download page to PDF in Confluence. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up that page. So I'll go over here to my spaces. You can scroll down here and from the left hand panel open up your page. Now once your page is opened, you cannot actually export to a PDF unless you have published the page. So come here and click on publish, because when you click on these three dots, you will not get the option we want to use. So first click here on publish and then go ahead and choose your location and just publish it. I'll just use the default one. And then once it has been published, you just come to the top right, you click on these three dots where it says more actions. And then I want you to click on export and just choose this option, export to PDF. And as you can see, it is redirecting us right here where it says PDF exports by Confluence. And in just a moment, this is going to complete exporting. So we just wait for a few more seconds. And once it is done, you can just click here on download PDF. Just here, and then you should see here on the top right, the download should begin. There you go, the download has finished. So we can open this up in a new tab. As you can see, it is in a PDF format. And there you go. That is how to download page to PDF in Confluence.